Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of November, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 36.25% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a loss of 69.71% to a loss of 18.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a decrease of around 10.93% over the next year, with potential returns varying from a loss of 66.80% to a gain of 193.82%. This suggests a price range of approximately $11.01 to $97.40 after a year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline: significant movements in supermicrocomputer stock price on Friday, fluctuating 12.68% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, the supermicrocomputer stock price increased by 11.62%, rising from $29.70 to $33.15. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 12.68%, with a low of $30.50 and a high of $34.37. There has been considerable volatility in the price during this period, resulting in a 35.2% gain over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 39 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 155 million shares changed hands for approximately $5.14 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the stock price stands at 73.03%, or $89.75, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, identified by the ticker symbol SMCI, is experiencing a significant increase in its stock performance this week, rising by approximately 66%. This rise follows the company's recent announcement regarding the appointment of a new auditor, which alleviates some concerns about a possible delisting from the Nasdaq exchange due to delays in financial reporting. Despite this positive trend, SMCI is still trading around 70% below its previous highs, underscoring the volatility and ongoing challenges that the company faces. The market's reaction seems to be buoyed by optimism related to Supermicro's connections with major players like NVIDIA, especially following NVIDIA's impressive earnings report. This situation could indicate that Supermicro stands to gain significantly from trends in the semiconductor industry, which remain strong. Nevertheless, noteworthy risks persist as traders are preparing for continued fluctuations in SMCI stock. Current options trades reflect uncertain price movements anticipated in the coming weeks. In the short term, these developments might spark increased investor interest and potential price appreciation, provided Supermicro can sustain operational momentum and improve its financial transparency. Conversely, lingering concerns about delisting could dampen sentiment and negatively impact the stock if not effectively managed. In the long run, SMCI's position within the semiconductor sector, particularly concerning its partnerships, may present substantial growth opportunities. However, the company must navigate these immediate challenges carefully to restore stability and regain investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Citigroup also rated SMCI with a reduced grade, maintaining a hold recommendation. Earlier on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, Barclays gave SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated SMCI as a buy with a hold recommendation. Furthermore, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Needham rated SMCI as a buy with an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen by 84%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Supermicro Computer stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average is indicating a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this leads to a more negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $35.94. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $25.01. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the general trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 94 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $33.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.87 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 12.68%. Throughout the past week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 14.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $38.65. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $33.07. If this support level persists, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Liu Liang Chu Sarah, who bought and sold 8,984 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.444. Overall, insiders purchased 3,523,251 shares and sold 5,261,807 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and the movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open lower by approximately 47 cents, starting at $32.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.